Good morning, dear students. Hope you enjoy the online learning classes. Today, we are going to start the rest of all the exercise of your back exercise of first chapter. The name of this chapter is communication tool. Dear students, today we solved the fill-ups with the help of this video, as well as we revise the fill-ups and the correct options in this video. So let's start. First, the C part, fill in the blanks. First question is, internet is also known as dash, net or computer. Internet also known as net. We called internet as net. The second question is, the most dash thing which we need is a computer with internet connection. Which thing we need with the computer with internet connection? The most important thing. The most important thing is the computer. Here they give us option powerful or important. The important thing we need a computer with internet connection. The third question is, the communication dash are the hardware and software that help in communication, tools or phone. The communication tools. The communication tools are the hardware and software that helps in communication. The hardware and software communication tools helps us in the communication to communicate with others. The fourth question is, the computer must be highly configured so that it may work dash without any hindrance, slow or fast. We required highly configured computer that it may work fast without any error. We required the without error highly configured computer that work fast, not slow, that work fast. Fifth question is, the communication tools are the hardware and software that help us in communication. The communication tools are the hardware and software that helps us to communicate. The answer is communication. And next one is the sixth. The server stores information for use by dash clients or mouse. The servers store the information that used by the clients. The seventh question is, every computer and every network exchange information as per some rules. The some protocols or order. The protocols. Every computer and every internet that exchange the information as per some protocols. The protocols help the computers and network to exchange the information. The eighth question is, the World Wide Web. www is the one of the services available on the net which provides facility of presenting the documents presented by other dash users, internet user. The World Wide Web is one of the service that available on the net which provide us facility to present the documents that presented by the internet user. It provide us the facility. The ninth question is, a dash means particular web server or a part of web server where information is stored. Where the information is stored? A website. A website, particular web server or a part of web server. It is also a part of web server where information is stored. The 10th question is, the World Wide Web protocol is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP. The worldwide protocol, that's also known as, we can call this as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The 11th question is URL. URL, the full form is Uniform Resource Locator, and it is a universal address of the documents and other sources on the World Wide Web. The URL is a universal address of the documents on the www. The 12th question is the abbreviation of electronic mail is email. We can know about the email as electronic mail. So these are the fill-ups. The next D question is true false. First, a website means a particular web server or a part of web server where information is stored. Is true or false? Yes, it is true. The website means a particular web server or a part of web server where the information is stored. The second question is every computer and every network that is a part of internet exchanges information as per some rules. Yes, the computer and every network that part of internet that exchanges information as per rules with protocols. Third question is URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator, the full form of Uniform Resource Locator. Yes, it's true. The fourth one is the abbreviation of electronic mail is email. Yes, it's also true. Fifth question is antivirus can only protect against which it recognizes as harmful. True. The antivirus can only protect against which harmful a computer. The E question is choose the correct option. First, Boolean search allows you to enter advanced searches directly as dash in the search field. The options are A. Text, B. Font, C. None of these. The Boolean search allows you to enter advanced searches directly as text in the search field. We can write the text and the search field. The second question is all of the dash users visit some sites very frequently. Internet address none of. All of internet user can visit some sites very frequently. The third question is universal address of the dash and other sources on the World Wide Web. The universal address of the text, documents, or none of these, the address of documents. The fourth question is most antivirus programs work like the human immune system by scanning your dash for the signatures, patterns of digital pathogens and infections. The options are computer, keyboard and mouse. The answer is computer. Here the question is most antivirus programs work like the human immune system. The antivirus programs work like the human immune system by scanning your computer. By scanning your computer for the signatures. They work like a human immune system. The fifth question is computer chips will be everywhere and they will become invisible, embedded in everything, some from brains and hearts to claws and dash. Twice. What are none of these? The answer is twice. The computer chips will be everywhere. We can keep the computer chips everywhere that become invisible, means not shown to anyone. Everything from the brains as well as horse, claws and toys. So this is the end of your back exercise. You will write down on your notebook. I also provide you the unsolved exercise PDF. Firstly, write the question. After that, open the video and write on the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.